Yo, YouTube, what is going on? Hope you're having a great week. Now, I'm going to be showing you some of the best Uber Eats promo codes that you can use right now in 2025. These are by far the best Uber Eats discount codes that I've discovered, and I've spent hours trying tons of them and searching the internet, but I've managed to find a website that's going to provide you with at least $100 in Uber Eats account credit using a simple promo code that you can enter into the promotions part of the Uber Eats app, and it's going to give you a ton of free food as well. So yeah, I thought I'd share it with you considering it is the holiday season. So let's get into it, guys. So you need to use your mobile phone. If you have Uber Eats, I'm sure you do have a mobile phone. I'm using an iPhone. It doesn't matter if you're on Android either. You just need to go to this website, guys, www.robotcoupons.com. So Robot Coupons is basically a coupon code website, and they have codes for some of the most popular applications, some games, basically anything you could want a code for. So hit the search bar at the top here and search for Uber Eats, and there is a Uber Eats free credit and food coupons. So click on that page. And you can see, guys, there is a couple of different codes to choose from, and these codes and coupons are limited in number. So there is a bit of a process, but it is well worth it. So you can see you can get a $100 Uber Eats account credit code, or you can get a promo code for 3 food orders for free. So just select which promo code you want. In this case, this is a $100 account credit Uber Eats promo code. And you can see, guys, that the code is protected. Like I said, these are limited codes, and they're, of course, pretty desirable. So this limits 1 code per person. So you need to tap on unlock code. Now, I've already got my code, and I don't want to waste a code for a purpose of a tutorial. So I'm going to cancel that. But basically, guys, when that loading screen reaches the end, you will see a new page. And it's going to talk you through the process of unlocking your code. It will take a few minutes. You will need to basically just verify you are a real person and complete a couple of tasks. Once you've done that and followed all of the instructions carefully, just take your time and your code will be revealed and you can redeem it in app, and it's going to supply you with the corresponding reward for using the Uber Eats promo code. So all you need to do, guys, is go to Robot Coupons and search for the Uber Eats page, and then just select which code you want and unlock it. So enjoy, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you smash the like button if you found this video useful. Peace out.